Grain storage management is a key component to having a successful and profitable year. Because the condition and quality of harvested grain varies annually, each year is different in managing stored grain and other commodities.
The quality of stored grain never improves because the crop has reached maturity. The only factors that you can control are those that would cause deterioration, such as fungus, mold, or insects. By knowing the temperature and monitoring that, you can keep the quality of the grain maximum until you can get your optimum price, hopefully.
The recent increases in grain value have increased the risk of spoilage tremendously. The margin in the business, grain handling and storage business, has not increased in proportion to the value of the grain. So the risk in the grain storage area is much higher than it used to be.
The only reliable way to know if stored grain is healthy is by checking the temperature. Each year, more grain goes out of condition due to uncontrolled temperatures than for any other reason.
As technology advanced, it became clear that knowing the temperature in a grain bin was the key to understanding whether spoilage was taking place or not. Anytime any material spoils, it gives off heat, and so it changes the temperature of the grain around it. That was the genesis of, could we put thermocouples in grain to monitor that, so that if the temperature goes up 5 degrees in 2 weeks, something has to be happening. And so that then created the business of temperature monitoring.
The ideal grain temperature, as far as minimizing moisture migration within a bin, would be to try and keep the grain within 10 to 15 degrees of the average outdoor temperatures. In the fall, you're going to have the gradual cooling of the bin till you get the grain to the winter temperature that you would like to have it, anywhere from 30 to 40 degrees.
Monitoring the temperature of grain on a regular basis gives the manager the best chance to make a correction when a temperature change is occurring, preserving the quality of the grain. Knowing the temperature of the grain also makes it possible for the fans to be run only until the grain is cooled, saving money in utilities.
The big thing on knowing your temperature is the utilization of your fans. Nobody wants to run their fans excessively because besides spending money for the electric company, you're also taking money and it's going out the top of your bin in shrink, since we get paid on the moisture content and weight.
Tri-States Grain Conditioning is a well-known supplier of grain temperature monitoring equipment worldwide. Headquartered in America's heartland, Tri-States Grain Conditioning makes service and high-quality products their highest priority.
Rich Cook was involved in grain temperature monitoring for 13 years before he and his wife Barb decided to start Tri-States Grain Conditioning in 1982. They saw a need for a specialized company that offered quality, dependable products while offering quick and good service. The goals of TSGC have remained the same since Barb and Rich thought of them many years ago.
Customer service is very important. We hear that time and time again from many of our customers. Quick response to each situation, the timely manner is very important.
Tri-States Grain Conditioning ensures top quality products and top-tiered service to our customers. We know that we want to provide the best possible products for grain temperature monitoring, for hazard monitoring, and we want to do that at the best possible price.
Whether you have a large commercial operation or a family farm, Tri-States Grain Conditioning has the right products to control energy costs, stop shrinkage, and help protect grain and profits.
How Tri-States is trying to help the producer control energy costs, maintain profits, reduce shrink, is by offering a variety of products based on the producer's needs.
Tri-States Grain Conditioning's wireless temperature monitoring systems can monitor grain from one small bin up to multiple silos and flat storage units and concretes together. And it gives you the ability really to be anywhere on the planet where you have internet access and to read those temperatures, know what's going on with your grain, and then make the decisions that are necessary. SafeTrack is a complete solution for monitoring commodity temperatures, because you can not only see what's happening to the grain mass that you have stored in your silos, it's also going to tell you the volume of grain that you have stored. So you know what's happening with it, you know how much you have, and if you've entered the information correctly into the system, you also know how long each silo has been in storage.
In addition, Tri-State's Grain Conditioning's GrainTrack gives you the ability to monitor all your bins on a daily basis without driving, climbing, or keeping handwritten notes. GrainTrack removes the guesswork from grain storage.
GrainTrack is a wireless remote monitoring system that allows you to see what's happening inside of your bin. Again, from anywhere you have internet access, you can access the system, or you can check it on your smartphone. And once you see what's going on there, you have the ability to remotely start and stop fans. GrainTrack removes the guesswork from grain storage, because you know 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, what temperature your grain is that you have stored. And if you know what the temperature is, you know what you need to do with your grain.
Tri-State's Grain Conditioning's temperature monitoring systems are the economical solution to grain temperature monitoring.
Tri-State's Grain Conditioning portable monitoring systems really give you a very economical way to monitor the grain that you have in your bin. And you simply plug it into the side, read it, and jot it down on a piece of paper. Very simple, very straightforward. And our portable is the most popular, because for the entire system to work, you need a 9-volt battery.
Tri-State's Grain Conditioning continues to develop ways to provide accurate and timely data to allow commercial facilities and farm producers to maximize their grain quality in order to produce maximum profits.
I really see the future impact of Tri-State's Grain Conditioning on the whole industry as taking a turn from the commercial to moving it onto the family farm and onto those farm structures and those grain bins that have stood there for years, and new ones that are going up. But with our monitoring system, you can know that your grain is in good quality, so the day you take it to market, you're getting maximum dollars for the maximum input that you've had in the investment that you've already had on the farm.
For more information, visit www.tsgcinc.com or call 800-438-8367.